Final preparations before going to Melbourne. Bye. Bye, living room. Off we go to Melbourne. Yeah. Thank you.
Cheers. We've just passed Glen Osmond.
We had to make a small stop at me.
Great. We're gonna have a sandwich.
Yes.
I am really hungry.
We're not ready.
तो मूसा पेट में दुगुड़ कीता
Only Musa. You can wait until Hathi.
मेरे लिए खतरनाक है मूसा बड़ा दीवारों में टकरा रहा है ऐसे ऐसे
Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you got the chisto one. You like chisto one?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want chisto one.
तो ये इतना ठंडा कैसे है
Ice लगा है.
अच्छा
You know, we're gonna have our sandwiches.
You don't give me.
One box sandwich with me.
What's inside the sandwich?
Get the sandwich and that's what's inside.
ओली पाई ऊपर
Made with love by Prakriti.
Love.
अपनी तो मम्मी डैडी का भी डर दिल कर दे
सुपरस्टार सुपरस्टार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार सुपरस्टार मैं पुटे जगता मर्दानी मां यार तेरा सुपरस्टार
So we're at Orsha. I'm gonna show you the sign. It's somewhere there. I don't know if I can zoom it or not. We're at Orsha. We're making a small pit stop again to get some burgers. And first of all, it was for a short toilet break. This is our car, and we're at Macca's.
Where do we return this key?
So big.
Where?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks like a car itself. Oh my god.
Oh my god oh my god
Overacting की दुकान.
I've brought homemade sandwich into Macca's.
Oh.
It's illegal.
but
Just got out for it. This is spicy, mac spicy, and that one's. So we were only supposed to stop here for a short washing break, but we ended up eating also, and we're headed back to Melbourne.
journey begins
Yeah, again.
Begin to begin to.
It resumes again. Early estimated time of arrival is 1:21. It is how it is. Kilometers in Melbourne are like 286. The time, it's only like 3 hours from here. Imagine the speed and the road. The same thing, 70 kilometers from Convent to Kaiser, like we used to travel. It used to take us 2 to 3 hours just to reach there. The difference you can see.
3, 4, 6.
We came from Adelaide. We're going headed to Melbourne. Or it's Yami. Yo, red light. But the exam of a psycho. And this is probably sleeping. Let me just turn the flash on. 2 hours remains. About to reach at Sansara's place in 1 minute. How are you feeling?
a bit tired
Yeah, he's been driving for almost 9 hours. She's been constantly sleeping and fighting. I'm not a child-proof Matsu. I cannot open the ventilations. I've been suffering a lot. Wake up, Raviti, wake up.